What is the real meaning of boiled eggs in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of boiled egg dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see boiled eggs in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, prosperity and success in any work, project or planning very easily. As well as this dream also suggests that any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. Now number 2. If you see eating boiled eggs in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to achieve something big in life or you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon. Now number 3. If you see someone else gives you boiled eggs to eat in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get big success in life due to the support of someone or divine in life. Or you are going to get new opportunities for success in life that will change your life completely in positive ways. Now number 4. If you see cooking or boiling eggs in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon, which you have been waiting for a long time. Or you are going to get easy success in any work, project or planning due to your skills, knowledge and creativity in real life. Now number 5. If you see boiling many eggs in a dream, then it indicates good luck, prosperity and success in many areas of life at the same time due to your skills, knowledge and creativity that will give you real success and a sense of satisfaction in real life. Now number 6. If you see eggs cracking while boiling in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning that you should make your plans very carefully. Otherwise you will have to face any kind of minor problems in getting the desired results in life. So to avoid these things, just cross-check your plans before execution in real life. Now number 7. If you see boiling eggs for someone else in a dream, then it indicates you are helping nature and generosity in waking life. But sometimes this dream also suggests that you should focus on your spiritual life because you have something special, talent, wisdom, knowledge or skills that can help and support lots of people of the world. So this is the right time to align to your spiritual life to find out your true God-gifted talent in real life. Now number 8. If you see perfectly boiled eggs in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates easy success in any work, project or planning. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set any big goal in waking life because you are going to achieve it very easily. Now number 9. If you see or eat rotten or spoiled boiled eggs in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning that you have chosen the wrong path in life or you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands some corrections as soon as possible to avoid any kind of loss and disappointment in life. But sometimes this dream also suggests difficulties to completing any work, project or planning. So to avoid these problems, you should adopt a positive attitude towards life.